Tweezer people, your cleaning philosophy could be, if you can't smell it, it's probably clean, but in industries like biotech, laboratories, electronics, and aerospace, keeping things super clean is a big deal. We're talking about clean rooms, highly controlled environment where even the tiniest dust particle or bacteria can cause serious problems. And why it's such a big deal? Well, in this field, contamination is the enemy. Picture working on a delicate microchip or assembling a sterile medical device. If a single speck of dust sneaks in, it could ruin the whole thing. And that's exactly where Cleanroom Technologies steps in, creating a controlled space where contaminants don't stand a chance. This room features advanced filtration system to keep the air ultra clean, regulate temperature and humidity, and even control air pressure. And the people working inside, they're suited up like superheroes, full protective gear, just like what you saw me wearing earlier. It's all about keeping everything as sterile as possible. Now, clean rooms are classified based on how many particles are allowed in the air, and the standards are of course very strict. So whether it's meeting ISO classification or meeting FDA guidelines, industries must adhere to precise regulation to guarantee the quality and safety of their product. And it's not just about the air or the protective suits. Every tool that enters these rooms has to be compliant, including of course hand tools. Yep, tools like tweezers, cutters and pliers all must meet specific cleanroom standards to make sure they don't introduce contamination. Materials, coatings, and even the design of the tools are carefully engineered to ensure they won't shed particles or create static electricity that could compromise the environment. Take stainless steel, for example. It's perfect for cleanroom due to its non-porous surface, which resists bacteria and particles build-up. Plus, it's easy to clean and sterilize, which is key to maintaining that pristine environment. Its durability and corrosion resistant make it ideal for long-term use, even with tough cleaning protocols ensuring your work is done right. And then we've got rubber handles like the thermoplastic rubber, TPR, of our wide range of tweezers. TPR gives you a comfortable ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue during delicate tasks. It's ESD safe, so it won't generate static, and it's non-porous, making it resistant to contamination. TPR can also withstand heavy cleaning and sterilization without falling apart, keeping your cleanroom contamination-free. Some of our tools even feature specialized coatings, like diamond coatings, which are engineered to prevent particle release and maintain the integrity of the cleanroom environment. Diamond coating not only enhances durability and wear resistance, but also creates a smooth, non-porous surface that minimizes the risk of contamination. In short, cleanroom technology is all about precision, control, and keeping things as sterile as possible. After all, that's how the best products are made, because it's not just about meeting the standard, it's about exceeding expectation. So, as usual, stay sharp, stay precise, and most importantly, stay Ideal-tek.